Hello everybody, it's Sacha here again. I hope you guys are having a great day or afternoon or evening whenever you're watching this video. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about understanding the legalities of a teen-run business. So what do I mean by this? Essentially, I'm going to be talking about how to sustain your business for the long term, how to keep track of everything, how to make sure it's all legal essentially. And yeah, so let's get into this video. So what do I mean by when I say keep track of everything? So when you start a business, you're going to realize you have expenses, you have profit, you have revenue, you have all these different variables that it's really important to keep track of. So something that would be really useful to keep track of all these variables would be something like a notebook, Google Sheets, I think Microsoft has an Excel, Microsoft Excel, or you can really use anything you want. You can use whatever best suits your needs. And another thing really important to keep track of is taxes. So if you make your business, you scale it up to the point where you need to start considering taxes, then you need to ensure that you have the capability to pay those taxes and you have all the logistics written down, all the statistics that you need to know in order to legalize your business and make sure that you're able to comply. And another thing is store your money safely. So it depends how you're handling your business, whether you're dealing with mainly cash. If you have a business such as like a bakery or something ordinary, it's all in person without any automation. Store your money safely, bank account, probably the best option. I don't know, whatever you feel like is most safe with you, or however responsible you feel like I should say. Or if you're setting up a digital business, you're storing your money in something like PayPal, that will handle all the taxes for you. You can also transfer it to your bank account, so you don't have to worry about that stuff. That'd be very good too. That's what I would recommend personally. And also, if your business does get to that extent, you could put your business under an LLC, make it fully legal, which is a limited company. I don't remember the exact abbreviation, what it stands for, but limited something company, I believe. But that's essentially when you legalize your business and you turn it into a corporation, a corporation. So yeah, that would be the primary thing to do when you become to that magnitude of a business, and once you start making that significant amount of money, because your taxes are going to start being an important factor and all that good stuff. So it's why it's important to keep track of everything. So next, we're going to be talking about understanding your profit and maintain security. So it's really important to keep track of your expenses, as I mentioned. So that being said, it's really important also to be careful with who you give your information to. You don't want to hire someone with a really high, say you have like a digital business and you want to, you have trade secrets, or you're a baker, you have a chef, and you have a recipe, and you hire another chef, for example. That's a good analogy. You give your recipe to them, they start cooking it, and then you don't want to just do that really easily. You got to be careful, because then they can go and give your recipe out to everybody, and then all of a sudden, no one's going to want your cookies anymore because they can just make them at home. They don't want to pay $20 for your cookie. So you just got to be careful. Knowledge is key. So what you could do to protect your knowledge is sign an NDA. It's a legal contract where it essentially discloses your information. It's a non-disclosure agreement where you need to be 18 or above to sign it, or you can have, I believe, a guardian sign it for you, along with the contractor and the other person that's signing it. And that would essentially secure your data. So you would not have to worry about having your information leaked. Its goal is essentially primarily protect company data. So that's one thing you can consider. And the final thing we're going to be talking about in this video is to make smart investments in your business. So what do I mean by this? I mean to have confidence when you invest in a product or service for your business. So essentially, maybe if you have a massage business, right? You buy a massage chair. You're like, okay, hopefully this one's good. You want to be confident in what you're buying, right? You want to do your research. You want to make sure everything's how it should work, how it's expected. You want to make sure the product is quality, and you want to make sure it's not going to break down. You want to consider all these different factors. And it's also important not to overwhelm yourself. You want to make sure that you're not overextending yourself as well. And it's important to always be making money when possible. So slowly scale your business. Like with that analogy with the massage chairs, you don't want to go and buy 20 massage chairs because you think you're going to be later having that many clients, right? You want to slowly build to that point. You don't want to buy one massage chair, you get that client, right? And then you realize, okay, I'm getting more clients, so maybe I want to get 2 massage chairs now. And then you slowly go expand 3 massage chairs, 4 massage chairs, and making sure they're all filled, and you're always making money. Because if you have 20 massage chairs sitting there, you're not making that much money because you're so in debt to all those massage chairs. And so that's the importance of slowly scaling. And yeah, find your sweet spot with your product and service and then repeat it. So if you find this one thing that makes money, just keep doing it. Just if you make $100, keep doing it till you make 1,000. You make 1,000, keep doing it till you get to 10,000. It's just that kind of thing. So yeah, that's really it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. So yeah, appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Peace.